Alam mo, napansin talaga namin na lahat ng naka-pink o lahat ng naka-dress napupunta kay Julie.
At ang ibig sabihin yan, dapat pala nag-pink tayo.
Oo nga eh. Alam mo yung isang suot dapat namin pink eh, kaso hindi namin ginawa. Pero, grabe, I think perfect pairing din siya kay Julie. Kasi, kanina nag-sample si Julie, di ba? At yung energy and delivery ni Julie talagang feeling ko magaguide niya si Misha. Kasi in her young age, her vocal power is so much present in the soul, and if she has her Ate Julie to guide her, I think she can do so much more. So we're very excited to see them kahit na nasa kalabang team sila.
Let's go, Nisha. Grabe. Kill it.
Let's go!